News Update.
A blessed Sunday, everyone. We're here to provide you the latest updates inside and outside of the church. And this is the Legacy News Update.
Every first Wednesday of the month, meron tayong activity na Workers Fellowship. Kaya nitong last Wednesday lang, na napakasaya at napaka-encouraging na fellowship ang naidaos. Let's watch this.
Salamat po kami sa makapangyarihang
Our morning service starts at 10 a.m. and ends at 12 noon every Sunday. Enjoy God's presence and fellowship with our co-believers. However, we recommend that you attend the 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. service every Sunday. We've got more space for you in the evening service. You're free to move, to dance, and to just express how much you love God as we all together worship Him. For the young people, the youth service is for you. 2:30 p.m. until 4 p.m. every Friday, we hold our prayer meeting at 8 p.m. Itaas natin ang Panginoon sama-sama habang tayo'y tapat na nananalangin sa Kanya. It's great to spend more time with our co-believers as we study His Word. So make sure na may cell group ka na ang pinabibilangan. We hold our men's and women's joint fellowship every third Sunday of the month after our morning service. Huwag kalimutan! For all the church workers, don't forget our Workers' Fellowship every first Wednesday of the month. This is a great time to have fellowship with one another. See you on Wednesday! Are you hurt, discouraged, or rejected? I'm inviting you this coming April 21 and 22 to attend Encounter God's Retreat. See how God will work to your life.
Last Sunday, nagkaroon ng isang natatanging announcement sa ating church. Tayo po ay nagkasundo na mag-pledge para sa simula ng bago nating church. Nakakatuwa na tayo ay nagpa-participate sa mga gawain sa pagbibigay sa gawain ng Diyos. Pagpatuloy lamang po natin ito.
Let the peace of God reign in our hearts and minds. See you next week for another exciting edition of Legacy News Update. Shalom!
LECFC News Update.